My name is Michael Antonoplos. I live in Bryn Mawr. Golf has really been a passion of our families. I just like being outside. It's a very refreshing kind of sport. It was about October of last year. My hip started to hurt. In fact, we were playing golf here and I couldn't finish the last 2 holes. I was in pain. At night, I had to raise myself to go with a cane to the bathroom. It hurt so badly. It was a little disconcerting. You know, I wrestled, played lacrosse, played football, played baseball. Never had one injury. My daughter has worked at Rothman for 7 years as a PA. She said I should have a consult with a surgeon. I went in to see him. First thing he said is, you have arthritis. We scheduled a surgery for March 23rd. They performed a bilateral hip replacement. They told me exactly when it was going to happen, the operation, what it was going to be. When I first went in for the consult with the surgeon, I said, when can I play golf again? He said 3 months. But I got out sooner than I thought. I got out about 2.5 weeks earlier than the 3 months. I'm fortunate. Rothman, it was great. They know their stuff, that's for sure. When I first got back, I had no pain after I played each time. None, zero. Rothman is, I couldn't say enough about him. Rothman specializes in hips, so I can specialize in golf.